This video walks you through how to view login activity in TurboTax. You'll start by signing in to your TurboTax account. Once you are on the tax home screen, look to the lower left corner and select Intuit Account. This opens the account area where your sign-in and security details are managed. If the page takes a moment to load, wait for the account settings screen to appear before continuing. From inside your Intuit account, move to the menu on the left side of the page and select Sign-in and Security. This section contains the settings and history connected to account access. After that page opens, scroll down until you reach Account Activity, then select it to open your recent login history. At the top of the Account Activity page, you will see your current device marked as active. This section shows the session you are using right now, along with several details tied to that sign-in. You may see the device name, the product used, the date and time of the sign-in, the location, the browser, and whether the session is your current one. Review these details carefully so you can confirm that the active session matches the device and location you expect. If you want to see more information for a device, expand that device entry to view its sign-in activity. TurboTax displays recent sign-ins for that device, including the date, time, and location for each event. This can help you review when the account was accessed and from where those sign-ins were recorded. If there are more records available than what first appears on the screen, select Show More. That loads additional sign-in history so you can continue reviewing older activity. If you are checking a longer account history, this is the place to keep extending the list until you have viewed the entries you need. As you scroll farther down the page, you will also see other devices associated with your account. These devices may include ones you have used previously to sign in. Some can appear as inactive if they are no longer being used in a current session. Review those entries the same way, paying attention to the device label and the activity shown under each one. If you are comparing devices, make sure you are looking at the correct expanded entry before reviewing the sign-in events beneath it. The Account Activity page groups information by device, so staying within the right section helps avoid confusion when several devices are listed close together. By the end of this process, you will have reviewed your current session, checked recent sign-ins, loaded older activity if available, and looked through other devices connected to the account. Your TurboTax login activity is now visible in the Account Activity section of your Intuit account.